Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the series of special lecture of map reading, a very important series for all NCC certificate exams. Today we will discuss about the grid system and grid reference, including 4-figure and 6-figure references. Right? So let's get started. First of all, we will discuss that why we used to have map. So the simplest answer is it gives the easiness to indicate any particular location on paper. And to indicate that particular location, we need to have some reference lines, that is called the grid lines. As shown here by some vertical lines, you can see here, these are the vertical lines, right? Similarly, these are the horizontal lines. Okay, so with the help of this vertical and horizontal lines, we can have a block kind of structure here, and these blocks are known as what? This is called the grids, and these lines are called what? The grid lines. So now if I need to indicate any particular location, that can be indicated by referring these grids. Suppose I need to indicate a particular location here, then I will give the reference of this grid. Similarly, to indicate this particular location, need to give the reference of this grid. Okay, so this is the grid system and grid reference. So by giving the grid reference, we can give the address of any particular block in which we are interested. Okay, so let's see that how to give the grid reference. So for that, we have the important two terminologies. What are those? That is what the eastings and northings. This is the very important two terminologies, and related to this two terminology only you will get most of the questions in the exams, certification exams. Okay, most of the people have their the doubt related to these eastings and northings. So today you will have the clear concept about this. So what are the easting lines? That is the grid lines that is from up and down in the map or moving from north to south. Okay, means if I have a grid system, so what lines I am having from up to down like this. Okay, that is called what? The easting line, or in a simple language I can say that the vertical lines in the map are called what? The easting lines. Now you may have doubt that why it is called the easting lines, because we have said that it is representing the north and south. Okay, so if we have to indicate in the directions, so we know that this is the east direction, this is the west direction, right? So by referring the vertical lines, suppose these are the 3 vertical lines, 1, 2, 3 on the map, I can refer that which of the line is most toward the east or away from the east. Okay, so in this manner we can indicate with the help of the vertical line that which line is more toward the east or more far from the east. Okay, so that's why these vertical lines are known as the easting lines. Now in the similar manner we can define what are the northings. So northing lines are what? That are again the grid lines which is across the map or from east and west. Okay, like these lines in the map. Okay, in simple language what we can say, that are the horizontal lines. Okay, so these are called what? Northing lines. In that when we have to indicate the north line, okay, north and south direction, so we can see that the horizontal line, with the help of this horizontal line, I can say that this line is more towards the north or this line is more toward the north. So in the same fashion. Okay, so these are called what? The northings of the grid reference. So this is the two important, very important terminology of this grid reference. Now basis on this two terminology, we can have two types of grid reference. Okay, the first one is called the 4-figure reference and the second one is called the 6-figure reference. Right? So for that 4-figure reference and 6-figure reference, we need to see that what number to indicate in that reference. So here as you can see, some numbers are mentioned, right? So like that you will have the numbers, the reference numbers on all type of maps. Similarly, you will have some reference numbers at this point also. Okay, so here these lines, these numbers indicates what? The that represents the easting lines, because vertical lines are the eastings, right? Similarly, here these points will indicate my northing lines. Okay, so with the help of these numbers we can indicate any particular easting or northing line. Okay, so let's start with the first, that is what, the 4-figure reference. How to give the 4-figure reference? Okay, so for that we have the format like this. First we have to give the easting reference and then the northing reference. Okay, this is the northing, right? So here the 4-figure, in 4-figure reference means we have to indicate it with 4-figure. So the first 2 figure will represent the easting points, or second will indicate the northing points, right? So how to indicate that? See here in the example, in this grid, these points are indicating my easting lines, right? And these points indicating my northing lines. Okay, suppose I need to indicate this particular block or grid in this map, right? So how to indicate that? This is the common practice, that whenever we need to indicate any particular grid on the map, we need to indicate the left bottommost point of that particular grid. Okay, left bottommost point. That means if I need to represent this grid, then I have to represent this point, right? So let's start that how to indicate this point, because I need to indicate this point. Okay, so I need to have the particular or the associated easting with that point. So what is the particular easting line associated with that point? We know that easting are the vertical lines. So this is the particular or associated easting line to that point. Similarly, this is the line which is indicating the northing line for that point. Okay, so here you can see the yellow line shows the easting and green line shows the northing to represent that particular grid, right? So how will I mention in the 4-figure reference? First we need to give the easting. That is 80. So first 2 figure is this. This is the line number for this. This is the reference number for this particular easting line. Okay, similarly the next particular reference number for this northing line is what? That is 40. So 8040 is the 4-figure reference for this particular grid, right? So this is the manner on which we can go for the indication of a particular location on the map. So I am representing this location. Okay, now I am giving an exercise to you, that find out the grid with the help of this 4-figure reference. What is that 4-figure reference? That is 8439. Okay, quickly do it. So I hope that you all are able to do it. So which point I am indicating here? The first 2 are indicating the easting lines, means the vertical line. So 84 is here. Okay, now what is the next? That is 39, means northing. So this is the 39 northing point. So I am talking about which grid? That is, because we are interested for this point, that indicates this grid. Okay, so I was talking about this grid. So this is a kind of exercise. Hope you all are able to do it, right? So now we have learned that how to go for the 4-figure reference. Now next is the 6-figure reference. So 6-figure reference is also similar, but here with the help of 6-figure reference we can locate the very particular location on this grid also. Okay, suppose I need to give this particular point on the grid, right? First we have, with the help of 4-figure reference, I have given the address of that particular block. Now inside that block, on which point I am talking about, that we can indicate here. Okay, so how we can indicate? First of all, I need to indicate this block. Okay, we have to go up to this block. After that we can go for this particular point. Okay, so first we need to find out the block, that means with the help of 4-figure reference, and after that we have to locate that particular point. Okay, so to locate that particular point, what will I do? I need to do that I have to subdivide this particular block in 10 equal parts, in the northing line, similarly as well as in the easting line. Okay, so by dividing it into 10 equal parts, I can confine the given area into a very small area, and then we can give the address of that particular point, right? So that method is termed as what? This 6-figure reference. So here we can see here Okay, so what block we have considered in the last slide, that was the 80, 81, 41, 40 block. Okay, so here you can see in the similar block we are working, that is 80, 81 easting points and 40, 41 northing lines. Okay, and we have divided it into 10 equal parts in easting as well as in northing. Okay, so first we need to give the address of that block, so that will be in the similar fashion as we have done in the 4 figure. Okay, so here the coordinate structure, the format is similar, that is the easting first and then northing. Okay, so the first 3 figure will indicate the easting line and the second 3 figure will indicate what, the northing line, and in that the first 2 of each is the same number what we have indicated in the 4 figure reference. That means what, that this particular corner. Okay, so for that first line 2 reference, what, 80, 80 we have seen, and what is the next, that is 40 for northing. Okay, so these 4 figure are same what we have seen in the previous method, right? Now what about this 3rd and 6th figure? So that we have to see here. So now we are subdividing this grid into the 10 equal parts. So suppose I need to give the reference of this particular block. Okay, so again I need to indicate the left bottommost point in this grid, that is this point. Okay, so what is the easting line for this? That is the point number 7, right? That is the point number 7, means 7 I need to indicate here. So what is the easting? That is 807. Okay, now similarly what is the northing for this point? So that is this line. Okay, so again we can see that is the line of number 7. Okay, so what is the complete 6 figure reference for this particular point? That is 807407, right? Hope you are able to get it. Now exercise for you, indicate this particular block. Okay, pause the video and do it fast. Hope you have done it. So let's check the answer. So first these values are same, that is 80, and this value is also same, that is 40. Okay, now we have to indicate this particular point. So what is this point? So first indicating the easting line. So here we can see this is the number 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 4th line. So easting reference is 804. Now what about the northing point? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is again the 4th line. So the 6 figure reference for this particular block is 804404. Okay, so now this is all about the 4 figure and 6 figure references related to grid system and grid reference. Hope you all have learned all the required things with this video. Stay connected for the further updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching.